Good morning, day 41 of 75 Hard. You know, for 41 straight days now, I've done this. I've jumped on, done a little video, said some things. And sometimes I know what I'm gonna say, like I have something in mind, and then other times I don't. Like today, I got nothing. We're just doing the thing. I don't know, the sun's shining, but it's coming up. It's not up yet. I'm still up early enough. It's not a super late start. It's not an early start though. The sun's gonna come up today. It's supposed to warm up a little bit, which makes me happy. Because when you live in Texas and it's been below freezing for any length of time, it's just not good. Like people are bitchy and depressed and just tired of it. We're ready for patios and heat. I'd rather sweat than shiver. I've said it plenty of times. I don't like the cold. There's a reason I live here, and it's not to freeze my ass off in the winter. No. Global warming needs to come. Bring back global warming. Make Texas warm again. Anyway, I'm gonna go eat some food, work out, do my thing, and have a great day. Make good choices, y'all. I'll see you later. All right, folks, day 41 is done. Whoa, I got to hang out with this guy a lot today, didn't we? We did some things today. Okay. Anyway, fairly mundane, easy Saturday. Went out to dinner tonight. Didn't even look at the menu because, pro tip, I looked at the menu before we left, knew exactly what I was going to get, and that's what I got. I stuck to that decision. It's always a good time around here. Anyway, just another easy day. We're kind of, I never want to say we're on cruise control because things never go the way you want when you're like, oh, everything's going fine and easy, nothing's in my way, whatever. But anyway, it's been a great day. We're going to have another one tomorrow. Y'all have a great night. Make good choices.